And in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you add someone on your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to tap into this green plus icon at the bottom right side. Just simply tap into that, and after tapping into there, you will get to see this option of new contact. Now, in order to add someone into your WhatsApp, you just simply have to go into new contact, and then you just simply have to enter their first name and last name, which is optional, and then just simply enter the country code and then enter the phone number. Then before adding the number or the person, you can enable the sync contact to phone. And after doing all this, just simply tap to save button, and this way you can very easily and successfully add someone on your WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.